Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you offer a free product in your Payhip account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to offer a free product in your Payhip anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably want to set up different lead magnets. So basically you're going to give somebody something free through your Payhip, and in return, you're going to get their email and their contact information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to offer a free product in your Payhip, up here on the top menu, click on product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're offering in Payhip. However, to create a free product, click on add new product. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these 6 different options, but you want to click here on digital product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and upload your free product. So this might be an ebook, it might be a checklist of some sort. So let me go ahead and upload a free product. Okay, I uploaded my free product right here, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go ahead and name this. This is customer facing, so let's go ahead and just type in free product download. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and enter a price, so go ahead and put 0. Next, you can go ahead and upload a product image. Okay, I uploaded an image. Here we can go ahead and just type in, this is a free product, you will love it. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and then visibility, you want to choose either visible or unlisted. Visible means it's going to be available as a free product in your Payhip store, so anybody can access it. If you go unlisted, this means that people can only access the free product with this exact link. So maybe it's for a specific group. You can do that. For me, I'm going to go ahead and make it visible, and then you want to click on add product. Okay, so here is my product page link. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is our free product that we added into Payhip, so you can see they can download immediately. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to offer a free product in your Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.